Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your Microsoft account from Windows 11 and switch it to a local account. It's super simple, so let's just get straight into it. So basically, when you first set up Windows 11, it kind of pushes you to sign in with a Microsoft account. And a lot of people do that, but maybe now you don't want that anymore. You just want a simple local account that's just on your PC. So let me show you exactly how to do that. Alright, so first thing, we need to open up Settings. Just come down to the taskbar at the bottom, click on the Start button, and then click on Settings. Or you can just search for it. Either way works. Once you're inside Settings, look over on the left side and click on Accounts. Then scroll down a little bit and you'll see Account Settings. Go ahead and click on Your Info. Give it a second to load. And in here, under Account Settings, you can see it says Microsoft Account. So that confirms your account is currently linked to Microsoft. Now what we need to do is switch this over to a local account. And don't worry, this won't delete any of your files or anything like that. Everything stays exactly as it is. You're just basically unlinking it from Microsoft and keeping it local on your machine. And if you ever change your mind, you can always come back and add a Microsoft account again later. No big deal. So go ahead and click on Sign in with a local account instead. It's going to ask you, are you sure you want to switch to a local account? Just read through what it says and then hit Next. Now it'll ask you to enter your PIN to verify it's you. Go ahead and put that in. After that, you need to set up your local account info. So type in the username you want, then set a password. Make sure it's a strong one though, don't just leave it as something obvious. Once you're done, hit Next. Then it'll say Sign out and Finish. Click that and it'll log you out. Just sign back in using the new local account details you just created. Okay, so I've just signed back in. Let me show you that it actually worked. Click the Start button, go to Settings, then Accounts, and then back into your info. And as you can see, it now says Local Account right there. No more Microsoft account. And if you scroll down, you'll even see the option to sign in with a Microsoft account instead, which just confirms we're fully switched over. And that's it. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe for more Windows tips. I'll see you in the next one.